everybody. This is the tutorial for how to do assignments electronically when I upload them to Schoology. So you're going to go to the first post that I have that I posted today with your homework on it. And you're going to see that you have 2 documents that are in Word format files and 2 that are done through PDFs. PDFs cannot be edited. So if you want to do your paper electronically, you must choose the Word documents. If your home computer do not support Word documents, then you cannot do this at home, and it will have to be done in school. So you click on the Mythological Creatures button. There'll be a little pop-up that comes down at the bottom. You'd click on it, and usually it will come up like this. If it comes up and you have this yellow bar at the top and it says Enable Editing, that's what you're going to click. And then it will reformat it how your paper looks. So once you have that open, what I would like you to do is minimize it. In fact, minimize the internet for right this moment. And you're going to open up a separate Word document. Now this will make sense to you in a little bit. Just going to get that open and ready. Then I'm going to go back to my internet. I'm just going to show you, first of all, let's go to the document. I have this set up as a table. So you should just be able to go in and just start typing whatever you want. If you would like to do bullets up here at the top, if you follow my cursor right up here, you have the option of doing bullets or numbering. I'll show you what numbering looks like. It automatically gives you number 1. You start typing. If you go to hit enter, number 2 will come up. If you find that you're running out of space, you can play with the margins by highlighting these, going up to these arrows at the top, and you can move those numbers over and then move your writing over. That might save you some room, or you can shrink the font, whichever you prefer. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is show you how to do the pictures, because I know that's the big thing. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go to Google. Once Google's there, you can put in just the name of the creature. So the first one is Centaur. I would suggest going to Google Images, find one that you like. I like this one. You right click, go to Copy Image. Now go to that blank paper and then right click and hit Paste. Of course, it's not going to work. All right, let me show you how to do it again. Maybe it'll work a second time. Click on it, right click, copy image, go to the blank paper, hit paste again. There it is. Do you see how big it is? That's why I wanted you to do it on separate paper. Because if you put it like this on your table, it's going to screw it all up. All right, so once it comes in this big, you want to click right on the image, and you see how these white boxes came up? Let me show you again. When you paste it in, it will look like this. If you click on it once, the white boxes come up. Go to the corner. Do you see what's happening to the 4 and how it goes to 2? You're going to pull that down like at a diagonal, and it shrinks the whole thing. And then we've got it in the right size. But it won't move for you. To move, when you have the boxes all around it, you right click and you will go down to Wrap Text. From Wrap Text, you want to pick any of these. I usually do square. Once it's like this, then when it's the right size and you've got it so that you can move it, right click again, go to Copy, open up your other paper, go to the picture box, and there you can hit Paste. I like to do the one that has Paste Picture. You can really do it either way. As long as it's got the dots on it, you can move it. Now I don't want the size of the boxes changing so much, so you're going to have to play around with it and get it in the right size. Alright, I'm going to go through that process again for you one more time. Okay, this time we're looking for Cerebus. Okay, so you go back to Cerebus, I'm not sure how you say it. Go to Google. You're going to put in Cerebus. Check the spelling on that. Go to images. Ooh, that's a good image. So click on that, make it big. Right click, copy the image. Go to that blank page again. Right click, hit paste. Okay, it's not popping up, so I'm going to try it one more time. If it doesn't pop up, I'll show you how else to do it. Copy image. Paste. Oh, okay. I'm glad this actually came up because this is the second way to copy and paste it. When you go back to your main screen that you want, you can click the print screen button. The print screen button, if you're looking at a keyboard, is right up there. It says print screen. It's really hard to see that, and I understand. Let's see if I can blow it up for you. Where'd you go? Right here. Print screen. If you have your picture open, print screen is like a copy feature for you. So you hit that button once, and then you go over to your Word document and you hit paste. So let me show you what that means. I'm going to shrink this back down. Okay. So now I've got my image open. I'm hitting my print screen button. I'm going over to Word, to my blank document. I'm going to right click, paste, and the whole screen comes up. When you do this, you'll have a little box up here. This is that print wrap that we need to do. So you go in here again, select any one of those. Then you can move it up and down. To get the crop button, because we're only going to take this bit, you're going to right click, go to crop, and then these little black lines come up. Again, just like what we did with the white boxes, you're going to take the arrow, right click, and drag all the way down to the right box. And you'll have to do it from the other angle. Right click and grab, pull, 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 keep holding it down. Then you can release it. And now it's the right size and it's the right picture. So from there you go and right click, go to copy, go to your table, right click, paste, and there you go. And again, if it gets in too big, you can left click on it and bring it down. And that's how you go through the whole paper. Okay? So it's going to take you a little bit of time. If you take these images off from Google, what you should do at the very bottom of your paper, and I would just like shrink this up, because we've got to take a bibliography and tell where you got your images. So just right now, images taken from, and then for this assignment, you can just put Google Images. That just gives, the information that you took those images. It's not something you made up. All right. I feel like I need to do one more of these with you. So I'm going to do one more if you want to stay and watch it. If you feel like you have the information that you need, you can end this video and get right to work. But for those of you who want to stay, we're going to keep going. I'm going to do one more examples for you. All right. So we're looking for the Furies. So you open up your Google. You go to www.google.com. Type in the Furies. Go to images. Okay, from images, you're going to pick the picture that you want. Right click on it. Go to copy image. Open up that blank document. And then paste. Okay? And then from there, you can change the layout so that you can move it. Once it's movable, shrink it up, copy it, open up your other document, and paste it. If it did not work with the copy and paste, let me show you how to do that print screen again. You have your image open, you hit the print screen button, you go to your open document, hit paste. From there to crop, you're going to first change the layout. Then you're going to right click and go to crop. You're going to click the normal button, keep it held down, drag it in. Then you go to the other side, left click like normal, keep it held in, drag it, and then you have the right size that you need. Again, you're going to copy it, go over to your table, and paste it from there. So those are the two ways that you do it. Play around with it, try your best, ask each other, collaborate, use your 21st century skills to get it done. And then once you have it all finished, then you need to go to File, Save As, click your S drive, save it someplace, and then you can print it off or send it back to me through Schoology. Either way. All right, thanks.